Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set priority in Clickup. Setting priorities helps you focus on the most important tasks, manage your workload efficiently, and keep projects on track. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space, folder, or list where the tasks you want to prioritize are located. Now, find the task you want to set a priority for and click on it to open the Task Details panel. Near the top of the panel, you'll see the Priority option. Click on it, and you'll see different levels such as urgent, high, normal, and low. These levels help visually indicate which tasks need attention first. Select the priority level that best fits the task. Once selected, the task's priority color will appear on the task card in List, Board, or Table view. This makes it easy to see at a glance which tasks are critical, which are important, and which can wait. Another tip is that you can change a task's priority at any time. Just click the priority field again and select a new level. This is useful if project deadlines shift or if the task's urgency changes over time. You can also use filters or sorting to organize tasks by priority. For example, in List or Table view, you can sort tasks from urgent to low or filter to only see high priority tasks. This helps you focus on what matters most during the day or week. Additionally, combining priorities with due dates and assigned team members gives you a full picture of what needs attention and who is responsible. This is especially useful for teams handling multiple projects simultaneously. And that's it. Setting priority in ClickUp is quick, simple, and a great way to manage tasks effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips.